Hello everyone, my name is Ajay and in this video we will see the working of QR module of our Worksuite application. So let's get started. This is the QR module of our Worksuite application. So let's go to the admin panel and click login, and from here we'll go to settings, then to modules, and here we have custom modules. You can follow a documentation video tutorial to install the application QR module. We have separate video for that. I'm not going to show you how we can install that, but we'll quickly show you the process. You simply have to upload the downloaded zip file that you are going to download from the Code Canyon here, and you will get the install button here. Just click the install button and the modules will appear here. Just activate that specific module. For now it's QR code. Just activate it, and after activating it will show to the left sidebar. So here it is the QR code module. So let's jump to the workflow of the QR code module. So the QR code is basically for generating the QR codes that we can share or we can download or print, or and then we can email it and everything related to the QR code. So let me generate one and show you how we can do that. We will click on create QR code, and here let me share here QR code Canyon link. So I am generating the Code Canyon link of our QR code module, which is this one. We'll copy it, and from here I will be selecting URL, and let me paste the URL here, and let me select the logo also, and from design I want the designs, keep it as such, and click save. So let me edit again and see the things. So as you can see, the logo is appearing here. Let me go back and click on background, and let me change the background to something similar to my logo, which is this one. Let me click update, and let me reload it to. So this is the final QR code that we have generated, and let's go back to the QR code, and from the here drop down we can view the QR code. This is the QR code that we generated, and from also we can download SVG, PNG, GIF, web image, PDF, and also EPS file directly from here. So as you can see, we have various options for generating the QR. There are various types like email, event, location. If you select event, we get the event details to be entered. Then PayPal, we select PayPal, then we get the details to be entered for specifically for the payment. And as you can see, it says lots and lots of option. So I think everything is covered now. If you still have any query, please write down and our team will respond to that. Thank you.